Hello everyone. Let us start by taking a parallelogram. Now I am going to copy paste this, change its color and flip it. If we just slide this pink parallelogram on top of the blue one such that their bases coincide, let us make this pink one a little bit transparent so that we are able to see the blue one behind it too. We can now see that these two parallelograms have the same base and are between same parallel lines. Also, both of these parallelograms have the same area. The areas are same, right? They were two same parallelograms after all. We just copy pasted one, right? Now, we need to see why does this happen? Why is it a theorem? Why is it that parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area? Before we start with the proof, let us name all the vertices. This is A, B, C, R, D, and S. Now, let's check what is given to us. We have been given that ABCD, ABCD, and ABRS, ABRS are two parallelograms on the same base AB and between parallel lines AB and SC. Now, if we just check over here, this SA and RB, these are parallel. These are the opposite sides of a parallelogram. And SC is the transversal over here. So, this angle over here and this angle over here. These two are equal. Angle ASR is equal to angle BRC because they make a pair of corresponding angles. Similarly, AD and CB are parallel, the opposite sides of parallelogram ABCD. Once again, SC is the transversal. So, these two angles, angle ADS and angle BCR, these two are equal. Once again, they make a pair of corresponding angles. Now, if you look at these two triangles, triangle AST and triangle BRC. In these two triangles, angle ASR is equal to angle BRC, angle ADS is equal to angle BCR, and SA is equal to RB, the opposite side of parallelogram ABRS. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent by angle, side, AAS congruency. Now, if you just recall, if two figures are congruent, they have equal areas. So we can say that area of triangle ASD is equal to area of triangle BRC. Congruent figures have equal areas. Now observe this figure closely. Let's look at this purple part. How about if I add this purple region to both the triangles? How about I add the area of this purple region to both the triangles? So let's do that. Area of triangle ASD plus area of ABRD. Area of triangle BRC plus area of ABRD. So we have just added the area of ABRD to both sides of the equation. On the left hand side, if we add area of triangle ASD and area of ABRD, what we get is area of parallelogram ABRS. Similarly, on the right hand side, on adding area of ABRD and area of triangle BRC, what we get is area of parallelogram ABCD. And that is what we wanted to prove. So we have seen that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Now, this theorem extends not just to same bases, but equal bases as well. Parallelograms on the same base or equal bases and between the same parallels are equal in area. Let's say we have two parallelograms having equal bases and between the same parallel lines. Now, why are their areas equal? It is because area of a parallelogram is given by base into height. The bases are equal, and since these parallelograms lie between same parallel lines, their heights are also equal because the distance between parallel lines is consistent throughout. So whatever is the distance over here, is the distance over here, is the distance over here. So the height remains the same. Now, if the bases are equal, the heights are equal, the areas would also be equal. The converse of this theorem is also true. It says that parallelograms on the same base or equal bases and having equal areas lie between same parallels. Let's see over here. If the bases are same, that is, the bases are equal and areas are also equal, that automatically gives us that the heights will be same or equal. Now, if the heights are same, that means they lie between same parallels. So we see that the converse of this theorem is also true.